Reminds me of a Mai Tai, my favorite drink. Oh, this is so creamy. Thank you for sharing the live. Thank you for celebrating my birthday with me, everyone. You guys are so sweet. Thank you. Soap squeezes. Line is open if anybody wants to send. I still have tons of powder and liquids. This is my birthday live. Thank you for being here. All of this is getting saved, by the way, if anybody had any questions. And here is laundry and cans. Thank you for the birthday wish. If you want to bless your girl, you can. CA is pinned, but no pressure. She actually just thinned out. She was like hand mixed thick earlier. That was awesome too. I keep to myself most of the time besides my clean talk community. Thank you, Monty. Yes, I am posting this live. It's going to be in multiple parts because I have been on for about 5 hours, I think, already. So I'll post it in multiple parts. You'll see. It's going to be awesome. Okay, just scraping piece off the bottom. We're about to do some dish soap bombs. If anybody wants to send for more liquid, I can save some as well and take some out. So we can do liquid and powder bombs. You let me know what you guys are in the mood for. What do y'all need on this beautiful Thursday? Yes, birthday marathon live. Okay, I think that's all the paste. It looks clumpy because there's Dote flakes in here. But I'm pretty sure I got all the paste clump balls. It smells so good. Let me see. A lot of lemon. and bleach I'm getting. Alright, interested. That was good. That was good. Yes, the big focal went in already. It's lagging, I have to come in and come back out. It's fine on my end, but I know people have been having issues today with TikTok. I will be posting if anybody missed any portions of it. I will post for you guys to see. It was so much that we did. All day.
What?
Yeah. What do you need?
You go live all day?
Yeah, what do you need, baby?
I was gonna have my phone.
I know. Stop bothering. Because I save everything, and I'll go live again when I'm starting to run out. I think only like once I saved, and then I had to dump some because I couldn't save it all, but never save everything. This is really good to like clean the cement with, clean my walkway, my driveway. If you put like a little tiny bit with some hot water, you can bleach your walls. It's really good. Cloud paste. Do you still have that cloud paste? Oh, I probably used that already. Cloud paste. Yeah, I probably used it. The only thing I have left right now is and can mix downstairs that I'm trying to dry out for recycled powder. And then I think I have some paste in jugs left. A few jugs left. So I needed more. The spring is coming. I gotta scrub my deck. Clean the areas for the kiddos. But yeah, it kills me sometimes to see, but I understand everybody cannot save. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to go live every day. I've probably been the most active this week only because I'm on vacation, but working during the week I can't. I'm so tired, mentally drained after I get home from work, so I would not be able to go live every day. I have it in a big taupe, and I let the top layer dry, and then I just crushed it up last night and mixed it around because there was still some underlayer, a little bit of wetness. So now I'm letting that dry, and then it should be good actually by the end of today, and I'll break that up. Yes, but add-ins are welcome. I think I'm going to save a little bit of this to get the sink level down a little bit. And then we can keep adding, or we can do a fake rinse, whatever you guys want. Yes, I have PP. It's on the my bio honey. I was forgetting my thoughts. Thank you for the shares. That was good. I also have tidy bowl if anybody wants to add tidy bowl. Let's use the rest of our dish soap that we have sent for. If anybody wants to sand, you can. You're more than welcome. I'll save some. And then we can add. This is good. It's turning out super creamy. Yeah, it starts in the chia. Can we do a poll? Should we save and start over? Or should I just save a little and keep adding? One of my mods, can you guys do a poll in here? Thank you for the happy birthday, Gucci. Yeah. It's nice to save this way too. Because it's not like frothy or there's too many suds. You're fine. I don't have that many mods. Go vote. And for those of you that vote for a start new all over, we only have 15 cents. So if y'all want to contribute, we would need some more. Hey Heidi, welcome in. Hey Addie. Hi A. Poll is up to vote. You like the save? Me too. I like hearing it like drop inside of the bottle.